Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Mobile Legends and tapping Settings, then Controls. You want to choose the control mode that matches your playstyle. Once chosen, tap Customize immediately to begin. Move the joystick and primary skill buttons where your thumb naturally rests, and enable Quick Cast or Target Lock only if you plan to use them. Make sure to set 1/2 screen scaling for cramped screens. This reduces reach. These first adjustments give you a working baseline to refine and practice. Once done with the baseline, focus on detailed placement. Drag each button to a comfortable spot and use resize to change diameters for precision or comfort. You should space buttons to match your thumb arc. For 16:9 screens, shift edge buttons inward slightly. Map secondary skills and shop shortcuts where you can reach them without blocking the minimap. Try swapping jump and blink positions if you play roam. Save a profile name so you can return to this exact configuration later. You finish by saving the profile, then immediately test in practice or brawl to validate reach, timing, and misclicks. Make small tweaks to sensitivity and button delay, and then retest until your muscle memory adapts. If controls feel inconsistent, restart the app. If problems persist, reset the layout or clear the app cache, then re-import your saved profile. One key troubleshooting tip: if buttons jump or lag, lower graphic settings and free up memory before further control changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.